We are having a blizzard here in Oklahoma. My little birds. Hello, little one. Hello. Hello, baby bird. Hello. You're so sweet. So sweet. Hi, baby birds. Hi, pretty baby birds. They're so sweet. I hope they get inside the dog carrier I put out there. I brought the door open and put some cozy paper and things in there for them and put a tarp over it so that it can be protected from the snow. I don't know if you can see this or not. Everything's so cold out there. It's so cold. It's so sweet. Oh, I need to put some of that feed, I guess, in that dog carrier. It's so cold. They're so sweet. They're so precious. Oh God, take care of them. Oh look, there's my little blue jay. He's out on the feeder. They know I want to help them. Oh my goodness, they're so beautiful. Oh look, there's a little black-eyed jungle. Female cardinal, little cardinals. Oh my goodness, they're so sweet. I hope they get inside there, get protected from the snow. Several of them could live in there. They're really getting too cold. Hi, little bird. There's my little blue jay. That's a little bird. He's so sweet. I know you think you can't tell, but I can. He has a more grayish color to his feathers, and he's just marked differently. There's another one. That's his mate, I believe. He usually calls to me when he comes down. I wish these windows weren't tinted, really. It would be a lot better. A lot better. They're so sweet. Thank you, Lord, for the little birds. Generac. It's really worth it. Electricity's gone on and off several times today. The trees look so scary from all the ice. It broke off all the limbs the last ice storm round.